Hey guys, and welcome back to Crypto Mischief, where I talk about my favorite thing in the entire world, goddamn cryptocurrency. That's right. So I'm in a new location today. I'm actually in the UK, so this will be my makeshift studio for now. Listen up. Every now and again, you find a team that are in crypto that's actually building with patience, not hype. And I think I found one. This is called UnicornX. It's called Moonveil. And right now, it's all about their More token launch on UniCall. This might be a lot of new words for you. UniCall, More token, and UnicornX. What are they? How can you take advantage of it to find early plays and make profit in crypto? And what is More token, and can you buy it right now? Yes, you can. What is it, right? We're going to get into all that today. Be aware that this is a sponsored video for this channel. I took this because after looking through what they're actually doing, what they're building, I quite like it. So it's one of these projects I'm going to be following into the future. So let's go through different parts for this so that as a YouTube community and X community, then you can understand what they are, make up your own mind on the project. As always, this is not financial advice. Please be careful with crypto. Everything is risky. And you can win some, you can lose some. That's how it works. I'm not your mommy. Do with your money as you wish, weigh your risk, and own your risk. With the disclaimer out of the way, let's check out then what is Unicorn and what's going on then. So this is Unicorn and UnicornX. It's a premium launch system. Think of it as a high trust, high conviction way to launch a token. No VCs, no early insider deals, essentially. It's powered by UnicornX, who we're looking at right now, which isn't just a capital group. It's a real mobile trading app. I have it here on my phone. You can use it. I was playing around with it. It's pretty cool. So that would be this one here, which would be UnicornX trading app. Nice. There. So you can find that in the App Store, actually. So just type in UnicornX. You can use it. I've been playing around with it. So the way it works is you can load up either Binance Smart Chain or Solana Cash into your account, linking it with a wallet, email address. No KYC needed. And then you can either follow different calls of top traders who are buying and selling tokens. You can then check out top traders. You can check out call groups. You can see the markets and kind of, also join communities of different traders as well with their calls to see what they're saying. So quite a nice way of organizing the crazy world of crypto inside of one app. It is in Chinese and English. So this double language, which is always nice. So UnicornX, not just a capital group, it's also a mobile trading app. You can download right now, trade, discover, and invest in top tier projects. Link in the description. Check them out at unicornverse.capital. Their latest play is the More token, and the token is called Moonveil. Moonveil has been quietly building actually for 3 years, which caught my attention. As you know, I'm a builder inside of crypto too. I like to build and get everything right. So finding another project which is kind of doing that same way, getting things right and doing everything patiently, not just going for hype and pump and dump, that really caught my attention as well for the Unicornverse and for More token. So it's More token is an immersive metaverse platform. It seems reimagining an on-chain culture. You can check them out at moonveil.gg, which would be this one right over here. So this is Moonveil's website right here, where you can check it out. Of course, I know you guys, you want to see the chart. The chart is looking very good, actually. So from the launch just in 28th of June, so it's been 1 month launch, you can see that they have performed extremely well. It has gone from, it's done a nice little move, actually. Let's get the measuring stick out. It's gone up 429% plus since launch, probably more if we take it into the microcap when it did first launch. Currently sitting at $18 million market cap on the Binance Smart Chain, top 26 trading token today with 800,000 liquidity and $20.5 million in volume today. That's mental. So this was an epic call, essentially, from UnicornX. Nice to see. This is their UnicornX. This is their app right here where you can use it to trade and basically grow your own reputation as a caller or a trader as well inside it. And they do have airdrops available on it as well. So the reason why all this caught my attention was because of some testimonials that I came across as well when I was asked to cover this project. They said, well, you can check out what other people are saying about it to see if it's something that you're interested in. So I did check out what all that was about as well. Why do these testimonials matter? Then why do testimonials matter in crypto? It is essentially real people giving their opinions on what's been happening inside the space. So you might have seen the heartfelt post that I retweeted yesterday from Anne. Anne is the, I guess, CEO of the UnicornX, right? It's really a heartfelt post showing lots of conviction and diamond hand reward incentivization. This isn't just really a feel-good tweet, it's proof that UniCall or UnicornX is built around trust, not just short-term noise. So Anne from UnicornX called Moore very early because she thought that the developer MJ, Moonville's founder, was a great builder inside of the space. And if you've read Anne's letter about this, you can really feel that. It's a long-term conviction here in action. So let's bring up Anne's letter and we can have a look at it. If you haven't seen the tweet that I put out, then you can also just check it out right now. So that would be this one up here. Sorry, I'm working on new screens today. So it's this one here from Anna Ann, right, at UnicornVerse. A letter to believers, to every soul walking this road with UnicornX. Today, I'm not writing to you as an investor of UnicornX. I'm writing simply as someone who cares deeply about this journey, about the community, and most importantly, about you. From day one, UniCall was never about chasing the spotlight. It wasn't about hype, it wasn't about noise, and it was and still is about building something that endures beyond the cycles. A trading ecosystem that's real, trustworthy, and lasts beyond all cycles. Here, trust matters more than hype. Here, it's not just the loudest who are heard, but the most committed who are seen. That's why we at UnicornVerse chose to stand with this ecosystem. We launched UniCall, not just as supporters, but as believers. So it's kind of like a calling network for different influencers and those in the know about new launch tokens that they think are going to do multiple X's, is how I would describe it, okay? Offering part of our most carefully selected investment opportunities to the UnicornX community. And we're not stopping there. We will continue to invest, support, and protect what we believe in. We've done all this with nothing but sincerity. But let's be honest, the market is not to be dominated, but to be respected. Even with abundant capital, strong resources, and a perfect preparation, each project has its own rhythm, its own founder's mindset, its own vitality. Because of that, we believe in walking into every market with discipline, humility, and deep respect for what cannot be controlled. Not every UniCall can meet everyone's expectations, but every single UniCall we back. We will protect with capital and conviction. Because I know this, many of you didn't come for short-term gains. You came because you see something in us and because your trust runs deeper than just numbers. Their mantra, forged through play, sustained by trust, shaped with vision, could just be seen easily to be their own. We believe in them. We believe this is a story worth inscribing on chain. Let's be clear. More wasn't perfect. It outperformed the starting price, yes. It's in a healthy upward channel, but the early volatility, it happened and it needs to be acknowledged. So we could go on here, but it's quite, you can see it's quite a long message. So we'll cut it there. You can read it all in your own time. But it is from Anna Ann, the founder of UnicornVerse. So what does that all mean and how does it all tie in? So this means that we have testimonials from not just MJ, but from the founder of the project talking about this Moore token, how it launched. And from Unicorn called Moore early because she believes in MJ, Moonville's founder. And if you've read MJ's letter and Anne's letter, you can feel it. This is long-term conviction in action. So how is this launched token different, right? Most token launches, they're engineered for quick hype and a chart spike. Okay, let's get back to the Moore chart, right? Chart spike, but UniCall flipped that. They reward patience. They've got loyalty programs, holding rewards, a founder level commitment to protecting early believers. That's pretty rare, to be honest, in crypto. So here's my play. More, I don't think is a day trader's coin. It's a buy and hold if you feel like it's a coin that you want to hold as an asset inside of crypto and see if it will continue to gain momentum and value. This is one you hold because you trust the team, the ecosystem, and the backers who are UnicornVerse. If you're bullish on Web3 culture, More isn't just another token. It could be part of a movement. How to learn more about all this then? If you want to follow the real alpha before it pops, start following UnicornX on Twitter would be how I would suggest getting started with all this. You can find them here. UnicornX is where they are. And you can just get all the latest news from Unicorn. And what I'm trying to find out is what's their next call? What's the next token that they're going to be going for? Because that's definitely where the alpha might be, in my opinion, with Unicorn, right? So following them on Twitter, waiting patiently for what their next big call or next big backer will be. You can download the UnicornX app and trade and follow the UniCall launches as well on there. Links are in the description for Unicorn Burst Capital, for UniCall, Moonveil, More Token, otherwise known as. And you can keep your eyes on the More chart because in this case, conviction paid out, and the conviction of UnicornX and of the More token developer, MJ, really paid out in the end. So that's pretty much the news I want to break for you about UnicornX and More token. I will be keeping updated with what's going on with this project. I think it might be a pretty good one for catching a nice green big chart in the future on a brand new token if it's backed by UnicornX and we can find it on their app. So let's see how that goes. I've been Crypto Mischief. We could do each other. And as always, don't get wrecked.